Hey everybody, Tad Stevens with Evergreen Reviews here, doing a quick review on John Crestani's Affiliate Marketing 101 course. I've also included the modules in the course as well, and if you stick around to the end of this video, I've got a free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist that I'll give you just for watching. So hang around for that. Any questions, let us know in the comments below this in YouTube. Or if you're not in YouTube, you're watching this someplace else, just send us an email to service@microsuccessful.com. And again, stick around the end of the video for the free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist, and let's get going.
Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go over networking. Networking is actually a really important aspect to any business you're doing, and affiliate marketing is no contrarian thing to the rule, no exception to the rule. In affiliate marketing, I'm saying networking is part of research actually, because whenever you're going into a niche, let's say you're going to advertise health products, or you're going to advertise make money online products, or you're going to advertise some sort of any other sort of relationship product, you want to make sure that you're doing something where other people are becoming successful. So if you guys know about me, I've advertised in gold investment, I've advertised in diet or weight loss, I've advertised in skincare, I've advertised bedbug related products, and I've advertised business opportunity products. I've done a lot of different niches. The main two are kind of like categories are like health and make money online, or make money. So these are kind of the really big niches, but depending on what you're going into advertising, you want to surround yourself with other people who are successful and who are affiliates. So how do you network? Where do you network is important. So a few things. First off, the most important, by far, person you can network with when you are starting off as an affiliate is this. Number one is your AM, your affiliate manager, okay? Your affiliate manager is one of the most important people you could be working with. Affiliate managers work at the affiliate networks. They have all the data on what offers are selling, what offers are making people the most money, what offers are making people the least money, etc. So depending on what you want to promote, you want to be talking to your affiliate manager. Now, I'm not going over all the affiliate networks right here. It could be Commission Junction, Share a Sale, Affiliati, Above All Offers, Amazon, whatever. Amazon and Walmart might not necessarily have affiliate managers. And sometimes affiliate managers are only reserved, or maybe the only people that can get into certain affiliate networks are people who are active affiliates. So that's why I recommend a lot of people to start with Amazon. And we'll be talking about that later. But Amazon is very simple. Everybody buys things from Amazon every week, it seems like. So Amazon's a great place to start. They don't have affiliate managers because it's not a very advanced affiliate network. But at the same time, affiliate managers are a great type of people to surround yourself with. Get into some networks with affiliate managers and ask them questions. They're here to help, so you should talk to them. What are the highest converting offers? Highest converting means what's the best conversion rate? From your pre-sale to the offer converting. What offers have the highest EPCs? All this sort of jazz. So I'm not going to go into the specifics of what I mean by there, but that's affiliate managers are there to help. Number two is really other affiliates. Other affiliates are huge, so let's write that down. And you want to be constantly talking to other affiliates to understand what they're doing, what they're promoting, what they're doing to that work. And sometimes it's hard to get this sort of information out of people because not everybody is going to tell you exactly what they're doing to make money. You can get close though. You can get ideas of what people are doing. You might not be able to piece together the whole chain, but if you talk to a lot of people and a lot of people are advertising on Facebook, that's a pretty good indicator that a lot of affiliates are having success advertising on Facebook. Similarly, you might be able to find, groups of people that are advertising health-related products, weight loss or skincare, muscle enhancement. Then okay, these are products that are selling well. So, and you can piece together the puzzle. You could say, okay, Facebook is a great place to advertise health-related products, etc. If you're in the business of buying chairs on Alibaba and selling them on Amazon, and you have a few chair brands that are working and you're an affiliate for these chairs, why would that person tell anybody about exactly what they're selling, exactly where they're selling it? They have no incentive to do that, because then somebody's going to come in their market, do exactly what they're doing, and steal it. For me, I'm fine doing that. That's why I have a YouTube channel. So where do you meet these affiliates, right? Where do you meet the affiliate managers? Conferences are a great place to start. Conferences are fantastic, and in fact, when I was just starting out as an affiliate marketer, the first time it really became a real industry, and any real industry, you guys have got to stop thinking about this like a trick, okay? I've seen so many people that they think of everything as a trick and they don't think it's a real business. Affiliate marketing is a real fucking business, guys, okay? And real businesses have conferences. So go to Affiliate Summit, okay? Affiliate Summit West is the best conference to go to. It's held in Las Vegas every year. It's where all the affiliate marketers go. It's where all the affiliate managers go. It's where all the advertisers go. It's where all the vendors go and tools and suppliers. Go to Affiliate Summit West. I'll write it up here. I'm going to write it in red. Affiliate. You could go to West or East. I say West because I go to Affiliate Summit West every single year. So if you guys want to meet me, if you guys want to see me somewhere, Affiliate Summit West is the place to go. Sometimes I go to Affiliate Summit East, which is held in New York every year, but this is where the big parties are. Vegas is just a better city. This is the one everybody goes to, so make it out to that. Other conferences you can check out attending are Traffic and Conversion Summits. I'll write that in here. It's called TNC, Traffic and Conversion Summit. Performance Marketing Summit. There's a bunch of them, but really Affiliate Summit and Traffic and Conversion Summit are the two main conferences that affiliate marketers are going to. Okay. Other places you can meet affiliate marketers, look on Meetup or Eventbrite. Meetup. Eventbrite. There's always meetups or Eventbrites of marketing related if you are in a major city. Even if you're not in a major city, there's oftentimes meetups for people who are business owners or trying to create an online business. These are great places to meet people. And networking with similar-minded people, you'll start getting a sense of what's working, what's not, what places you can advertise, and you'll hear stories from other people. It just makes it more real when you're working with people who are on the ground doing the same things that you're doing. As much as we can connect, as much as I try to make this experience as personal as possible, I'm just here hanging out with you guys, it's still going to have a much bigger effect if you're actually talking to somebody in person. Even if they're not as successful as me, just sitting down and sharing a coffee or a beer or a kombucha with somebody in a similar situation who's tried some affiliate marketing before, or who's running an online business or has had some success is going to be very meaningful. So I highly recommend you do that. Another place which is great, and this is the easiest, but you get the lowest quality of connection, of course, as well, are Facebook groups. Facebook groups. Facebook groups are great, and there's a lot of specific Facebook group. Look on Facebook for Facebook ad buyers, right? That's a group run by my friend. There's over 10,000 people in there. Many of them are affiliates. They're all talking about how to buy Facebook ads in the most effective manner. You can also find a lot of affiliate marketing related groups. And what's great about these groups is you can then you can go off and message people who are members of the group and talk to them and ask them, talk to them about whatever. Talk to them, hey, what are you doing with affiliate marketing currently? Or what are your thoughts on this? Or blah, 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 blah. It's a great way to start interacting with people in a similar situation and people of varying levels of success. So it's a great way. Obviously, there are lots of other ways you could do it. LinkedIn groups. there's LinkedIn, there's following people's blogs, making comments on people's blogs or vlogs, etc. And if you make a lot of comments on my videos, there's some people that I know on a name basis because they just continually comment, they continually follow my vlog, they've continually followed my content, and they're continually contributing, and they've become just kind of like a thing in my life. So, I feel the obligation to go out and help them similarly. So these are all ways of networking. I highly suggest just, at the very least, go to Affiliate Summit West. It's the best way to make this real, not just a gimmick, not just a business like idea or a gimmick. Make it real. Go to some conferences, go to some events, meet up with people in person, and the very last, join some Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups. But you start surrounding yourself. This has the dual thing of doing research on what's working, but it also has the dual purpose of you starting to surround yourself with a network of people who are really affiliates, and it starts to become part of your identity to the point where I guess you're like me and you're known as the affiliate marketing guy. So hopefully this has been helpful, and let's move forward in the...
So how was it? Let me know in the comments below. Send an email to service@microsuccessful.com. I'll post a link to the free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist at the end of the video here in just a second. Plus, I'll also post a link to John's super affiliate system, which, full disclosure, I am a member of. I have purchased this. I use it every day, and I think it is an excellent course. So watch for those 2 links in just a second. Any questions? Let me know, and we'll see you on the inside.